Okay, we've done some arithmetic progressions and some geometric progressions, and we know some formulas with the sum. So now I've got this sigma sign here. This is the Greek capital letter sigma, and you'll see this sigma sign on spreadsheets a lot where it's used to add up, and that's all it means, add up. So we're going to add up from when k is 1 up to k is 10. Now, very, very confusing for some students, but what we're going to do is we're going to put k equal to 1 to begin with to get the first value. So we're going to make k 1, and we're going to get 2 times 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Add. The next value of k is 2. So 2 times 2, 4, add 1, 5. Add. K is now 3, so it's 2 times 3, add 1, 7. So I can see how I'm doing all this. I don't need to make all of the terms up. Just going to put the last one in. The last one is when k is 10. So the last number here is indicated by that 10. 2 10s are 20, plus 1, 21. Now, what I want to work out is this an arithmetic or geometric progression? Look at the difference each time. Every time I'm adding on 2. So my first number is 3. I'm adding on 2 each time. So now I can use the sum of n terms. In fact, I'm wrong, it should be 10 terms because it just says here 10. So I'm going to put the sum of 10 terms, and we've got the sum formula from before was n divided by 2, so it's going to give me 5. 2 u1s, 6. n minus 1, 9. Times d. So this is going to give me 18 plus 6, and I'm going to use my calculator here, 18 plus 6, and then times that whole lot by 5 to get 120. Okay, let's look at another one. This one here. And this one starts with n equal to 0. So I'm going to put 1.3 to the power of 0 in here. And anything to the power of 0 is 1. The next term is 1.3 to the power of 1, so that's 1.3. And the next term is 1.3 to the power of 2. And I'm going to carry on like that until I do 1.3 to the power of the last number here, 9. It's not adding on each time, it's actually timesing each time, and what I'm timesing by each time is 1.3. So if I'm timesing, it becomes a geometric progression, and I need a common ratio r, and u1 is equal to 1. Now, one thing I want, if I'm doing the sum of this, I need to know what n is. And here's the thing, people often think that n is 9. But I've deliberately put in 0 at the beginning, and if you count on your fingers and start with 0 and go up to 9, n is 10. So now I'm going to use the sum, because this means sum means add up, the sum of the first 10 numbers, u1, which is 1, 1.3 to the power of n, take away 1, and then divide everything by 1.3, take away 1. So I'm definitely going to use a calculator for that. 1.3 to the power of 10, take away 1, timesing it by 1, and then dividing it by 0.3. And this gives me 42.6. So, sigma sign, making the k or making the n or whatever number we've got there. Also recognizing the n terms. Here is 10 terms. Here is also 10 because I started with 1, and the sigma sign means add up.